Jay. Try to tell me I ain't from the trenches, baby. Yeah. Probably cause they ain't never seen a young hood nigga this sophisticated. I got my weight up. When you come up from the bottom and get to the top, it get harder to stay up. Baby say she deserve better, well, fuck it, go get 'em, ain't got time to lay up. If it's a problem, I solve it, I won't even argue.
Happy pre-market, everyone. Stock check with Norris Powell. Let's check it out. The stock that we're going over today, we're doing a continuation on Carvana, as we are still within that channel between the $6 and $8.25 threshold. What we want to do is we want to take a look at the patterns that are being created at the moment. This is a flag, a bull flag that is, and we'll discuss it later on within the conversation. Yesterday I gave you the price target of 20%. We did 23% with the long term 1465. As you look at this long term trend here, this is the daily, and we have that V-shaped pattern right there. We're going to touch bases on that a little bit later, but we do expect to get up to those levels. Right now I want to focus on Morgan Stanley. If you look back at this in the article from November the 7th, 2022, they're telling everyone that they do believe the stock is valued at little as $1. So I want you guys to pay very close attention to what I'm about to say. They told you that the stock price is valued at less than $1. The price plummeted, and what happened the very next month is they bought. So in this article, it will even show you that 34 million prior to this article of the shares have traded hands, meaning that if there were individual retail investors that bought, they sold, and these people, like the guys at Morgan Stanley, have bought. If you look at sec.gov, you'll see that a lot of the owners, they have not sold. Only the majority of the selling that has been happening has come from the father, and that was months ago. So you guys just hold on to your pennies and, make sure you're making smart decisions. We're not dumb money. We are very much intelligent, smart investors. We have a lot of tools at our leisure. What we want to do is we want to take a look at the pattern that's being formulated right here. This is a bull flag. You take that, and you take that. What does that create? That's a flag. So after the flag is generated, you'll see a upward movement about the same size of the length of the flagpole. That leads us to the $14.65 hypothesis that I do have for us reaching. If you want to take a look at a closer view of it, you'll see that $8.25 resistance line. It was hit 1, 2, 3 times. It was met with a rejection. So we should see a peak above that. And if we do continue upward, expect the movement, the length of that flagpole. You guys, what I want to pay close attention to is this stock is beat up 99%. So I'm heavily convicted that this is gonna, do well. I just believe it was before its time, right? If you see this breakout signal right here, the trend change has actually happened. Just pay attention to the chart, not your heart. So what we want to do is the next level. We want to take a look at what we want to do when we get in, when we get out. Make sure you use this as a notion to not buy, hold, or sell, but as a notion to do good charting. That's all we're doing on this channel. I want to bring attention to the charting. This is Stock Check with Norris Powell. You guys, let's check it out.
I got my weight up. When you come up from the bottom and get to the top, it get harder to